The day before our flight to Thailand, my cousin and I decided to check in at Savoy Manila, which is right in front of NAIA Terminal 3. We both live far from the airport and needed to be there by 4 a.m. the next day, so if you have a bit of an extra budget, staying here is honestly a great idea. You get to rest properly before an early flight. We booked a standard twin room. The size is just right, the room is clean and cozy, and there's a big window with a view of the airport. On the ground floor, there's an ATM, and if you get hungry, there's a commercial area just at the back with plenty of restaurants and stores to choose from. Tomorrow, we'll simply walk to the airport using Runway Manila, which is directly connected to Terminal 3. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned to my upcoming Thailand vlog. Bye!